Okay, so now that we're on our Google Docs screen, let's go ahead and create a new spreadsheet. So go to where it says Create New and scroll down to Spreadsheet, and it will open up a new spreadsheet document. The spreadsheet is pretty much like Excel, so if you know how to use that, then you know pretty much the same thing. So what I'll do is I'll just create like a little to-do list by days, or I guess a little weekly schedule for Monday through Sunday. So let's go ahead and do that. And once you do that, you can go ahead and drag it. Click on the little square, and that's Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, and let go. It will automatically fill it for you. From then, you can go over to the numbers over here and just click Shift, click on a couple. I'll do up to 6, and then highlight on one of the boxes until the arrow comes up, and just slide to about here, and it'll just make it bigger. Okay, and let's just make them into cells. So highlight all of them, go up here, and outline. Okay, so that's all that we're going to do for the spreadsheet. It just kind of to illustrate a spreadsheet and its capabilities. I mean, as you know, you can enter formulas here, update a contact list, update a number, things like that, have an address book, have your budget on here, many different applications for spreadsheet document. So once you're done creating your desired spreadsheet document, go ahead and go to the top right corner where it says Share. Right next to it there's a button, a drop-down menu. Go ahead and click on that, and you're going to click Publish to the web. Now go ahead and enter a title for this, so I'm just going to put Spreadsheet Example 1 and click OK. So if you're signed on to your school's email, it's going to be a little bit different than that of a regular email. It's not too much of a difference, but here it's going to say you know, what you want to publish, all the sheets in the document, or just sheet 1, just sheet 2, so you get to choose exactly what you want to be shared. So we'll just put all sheets. This option right here is great for when you're doing updates. So once you change it onto your email, so let's say I had made a schedule for Wednesday for this week, and then on Sunday I went ahead and I changed it for next week. Once I do that, it will automatically upload onto your page, so you don't have to go back and forth in between them. They'll pretty much link up to each other and update each other. So another example would be if I were to have done an address book on here with the information of all the class members, and let's say I changed my number, I just go back onto the document itself and I change it, and it will be changed on my pages. So once you're ready to share, start publishing. And this is the difference in between I guess a regular account and a school's account. Here it says let all the students see it, and so we'll just put OK. If we put cancel, it's not going to let us share it and get the HTML code. If it were to be a regular account, I think it would say it says click on publish and what exactly to publish, and it would just be a different option. I mean, this is the only thing that's different, but in the end you get the same result. So just click on OK, and it's going to open up these options right here. So how would you like for it to be published? Well, since we're going to go ahead and put it in our page, we want an HTML code. So let's go ahead and click on HTML to embed in a page. Once we do that, it's going to create a code. And this is the direct link that will link up the document on the page to the document on Google Docs. So you're just going to click and you're going to copy. So that's all you have to do on your Google Docs. From there, you are going to go ahead and go back into your pages. This should still be up. So we've done step 2, the publishing of the sheet. We've done step 3, publish now. Now this is what I was talking about, it being different than from having personal versus a school account. I mean, it's still going to give you the same results. So we already clicked the file format, and it generated the URL for us automatically, so we didn't have to do that. Now, down here at the bottom, step 8, in this box, you're going to go ahead and paste your code there. So once your code is on here, you can either click Save or Preview. So for now, let's just click Preview, just to make sure everything went through. So this is the preview of my spreadsheet. As you can see, what I created is automatically done on here as the way I wanted it to show. So let's close the preview and save it. Now that it's saved, you're going to go ahead and click Save on your tab, or you could move this around wherever you want. So if you want it directly under your YouTube video, you can. Just make sure that before you start all of this, you put the cursor where you want it to go. So if I would have wanted it to go after the lab session 1, I would have clicked there, or if I wanted to go before the YouTube video, I would have clicked there. But that should be fine for now. So let's go ahead and click Save. And there you go. As you can see, the YouTube video that I chose is on here, and it's one of my favorite commercials, the blind spot guy, the mayhem guy. And under there you could see the spreadsheet that you have created. For me, it would be the little, scheduling. So there you go. And you could show as much or as little as you want to show. It just depends how you set up your spreadsheet. So there you go. And that's how you enter a spreadsheet document onto your page.